हेलो एवरीबॉडी, माय नेम इज अर्नव। आई रीड इन 9th क्लास। तो मैं आपको आज साइंस पढ़ के सुनाऊंगा, क्लास 9th। ये देखो साइंस। अभी मैं इसको पढ़ के सुनाता हूँ। चैप्टर इज मैटर अराउंड अस प्योर। ये वाला चैप्टर है, चैप्टर 2। तो व्हाट इज मिक्सचर आर constituted by more than one kind of pure form of matter. We know that dissolved sodium chloride can be separated from water by the physical process of evaporation. However, sodium chloride is itself a pure substance and cannot be separated by physical process into its chemical constituents. Similarly, sugar is a substance which contains only one kind of pure matter and its composition is the same throughout. Soft drink and soil are not single pure substances. Whatever the source of a pure substance may be, it will always have the same characteristics properties. Therefore, we can say that a mixture contains more than one pure substance. Types of mixtures, depending upon the nature of the components that form a mixture, we can have different types of mixtures. What is a solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. You come across various types of solutions in your daily life. Lemonade, soda, water, etc. are all examples of solutions. Usually we think of a solution as a liquid that contains either a solid, liquid or a gas dissolved in it, but we can also have solid solutions, alloys and gaseous solutions. Air. In a solution, there is homogeneity at the particle level. For example, lemonade tastes the same throughout. This shows that particles of sugar or salt are evenly distributed in the solution. Alloys. Alloys are mixtures of two or more metals or a metal and non-metal and cannot be separated into their components by physical methods. But still an alloy is considered as a mixture because it shows the properties of its constituents and can have variable composition. For example, brass is a mixture of approximately 30% zinc and 70% copper.